It's so good. We're gonna make edible slime. For this slime, we're gonna need coconut oil. Hi, you guys. This is Natalie and this is Vanessa. And welcome to my channel. In this episode, we're gonna make edible slime. For this slime, we're gonna need coconut oil, gummy bears. We're gonna separate different for the colors. Then I need a cornstarch. Look how many gummy bears we're gonna
Yes. Make it rain.
It's so good. Smells so good though. Look at this gummy bears. So we just separate the gummy bears. This is green and red, Christmas color.
I was gonna say that.
Really?
Yeah.
And this is yellow. And she decided to do orange. We're gonna melt this in microwave for 30 seconds. So we leave this in microwave for actually 1 minute or 55 seconds. It depends. So you wanna make sure, depends on microwave. You wanna make sure it's melted. And here's Vanessa's orange one. Yummy. You like it?
Yeah, it looks like orange honey and yours looks like honey.
I know.
It looks so good.
So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar for each bowl. But first, I'm gonna rub coconut oil, the spatula, and my hands and your hands. So let's put this on your hands. So you put this on your hand. Slime won't stick to your hand, and also you can put on your spatula as well. Just like that. If you have a spray coconut oil, I believe it's better. So now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. And for you, Vanessa, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch for me, and Vanessa. Good job, Vanessa. Now we're gonna mix this.
It's getting so perfect now.
How awesome is this, or what? They're still sticky?
Yeah.
Oh my, mine's still sticky.
Looks like honey. I have orange honey and she has yellow honey. Oh, finally this is all like with powdered sugar. Now it's not gonna get sticky. Like sugar powder.
Smells like candy. And it's a slime.
And now it looks like slime.
Okay, so now what happened is we put on a table and we put more starch, and now it's edible slime. Look at this.
Comment down below who is stretchier and better.
Yeah,
And who's the winner too.
of course you. You put a lot of starch. So when you put a lot of starch, it's gonna be more rougher
And marshmallow.
marshmallowier.
Yeah.
So you can put in microwave and it gets softer, like for 5 seconds or so.
And you gotta put some starch all over the table so it cannot stick in there.
Yeah. It's not sticking to your hands or anything. Look at this. Exactly like slime. Wow. And it's edible slime. That's exactly what we're looking for, right, Vanessa?
Yeah.
Look at this. Wow. Amazing. Edible slime.
Look how it is. It's so good. And you can eat your slime. But I mean like a candy slime because it's made with candy.
It's either edible.
Uh-huh. And can't eat too much because your stomach could hurt.
You not recommend to eat too much candy, right?
Yes.
So same as the slime, you can eat and plus we put starch, but it's edible.
Yes. Edible slime.
Look how soft it is.
Yeah, if you put it in the microwave. But it's not that sticky.
If it gets dry, you can put in microwave and make it softer, but like for 5 seconds on microwave.
It's so good. You could try it if we're done making it.
That's an edible slime for ya guys.
Hey, look.
What is that? It's a subscribe button?
And it's YouTube.
Can you show us your slime?
Feels so warm. Here, subscribe and sure watch our video. Look, our slime, and you can eat it, and it's so.
It tastes like jerky?
No,
Did she make a subscribe button?
press.